welcome back to Lake Math. I didn't mention this in the other videos, but it dawned on me I should. I have no idea what this drug is, and we don't endorse it. That's just the free clipboard that I have at home. Anyway, solving with variables on both sides. First thing we want to do is combine things if we can. Then we want to get the variable on one side. Then we're going to do the add subtract stuff. Then we're going to do the multiply divide stuff. Now, on this one, you can see we've got more x's on the left than we do on the right. A lot of my students don't really like messing with negative numbers, so since I got more of them on the left, I'm going to move them all left. So I'm going to subtract here and subtract here. 5 minus 1x is 4x. This comes down, my equals comes down, these are gone, and my 15 comes down. Now I'm going to do the add and subtract stuff. This is subtracting, so I will add, my 4x comes down, my equals comes down, I've got 16. Now I'm going to do my multiply divide stuff, so I'll divide, these are gone, x comes down, equals comes down, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now for this next one, I've got more p's on the left. So again, I'm going to move them all over there. It doesn't matter. It actually works either way. It's just a matter of whether you want to deal with negatives or not. So 4 minus 3, I've got 1p. My 2 comes down. My equals comes down. Those are gone. My negative 7 comes down. I'm going to subtract. P equals negative 9. Alright, that's really all there is to it. If you've got negatives, it's not the end of the world. It still works the same.